A budget of only a few hundred yuan. It must be capable of office work and also able to play general games. It also needs to look good, be clean and tidy. And the cable management must be neat. These are the requirements from one of our fans. Next, let's start the build. The fan said it must be clean and hygienic. So I meticulously cleaned the components. Then the fan said it must look good. So I chose one for them. A small Seaview fish tank case with glass side panels. Now, let me introduce the specs. A B85 motherboard. And A400 West rated power supply. 2 8G sticks, 16G in total. Running in dual channel. A 256GB SSD. The legendary budget card, GTX 750Ti. The processor is an E3-1231. Every component has been labeled with my exclusive tag. This is my exclusive tag. Let's skip the assembly process. Since the fan wants to play some games, once it's finished, we'll go straight to real game testing. The fan mainly plays two games. One is Crossfire, and the other is League of Legends. I do play League of Legends, so we'll download it and test it out later. It's all set up. Checking the configuration. Specs are correct. Audio is normal. Network is normal. Idle temperature 38 degrees. Let's run a stress test. Stress test temperature 55 degrees. Let's try a game. 230 FPS at the fountain. Moving to the lane, it's around 100 to 160. Team fight. Holy crap. In team fights, it's around 90 to 100 FPS. We won this match. Played for 28 minutes. The overall feeling is still very smooth. Safety first. The packaging must be done well. Fill the inside of the case with foam.